Hello friends, this problem is taken from Hungary Maths Olympiad, and in this case you have been given three equations and then you have to find value of one another expression. So you have first equation is a square plus b square is equals to 81, and the second equation is x square plus y square is 121, and the third equation is ax plus by is equals to 99. Then you have to find what is the value of a by minus bx. So let us say this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2 and this is my equation 3. I need to find value of a by minus bx. So basically what I will do is I will find value of a by minus bx whole square, and that will have a term of a square by square plus b square x square minus 2abxy. This gives me a hint, that is I can multiply equation 1 and equation 2 so that I can get a term of a square x square plus b square by square. So let us multiply equation 1 and equation 2. So 1 multiplied by 2. So on the left hand side we will have a square plus b square times x square plus y square, and this is equals to 81 times 121. And if you expand, this becomes a square x square plus a square by square plus b square x square plus b square by square, and this is equals to, let me write little bit bigger, so this is b square by square is equals to 81 times 121. And 81 can be written as 9 square and 121 can be written as 11 square. So this can be written as 9 times 11 and whole square. This means whole thing can be written as 99 square. So now I have this expression, that is a square x square plus a square by square plus b square x square plus b square by square is equals to 99 whole square. Let's call this equation as equation 4. Now let us square equation 3. So if you square, this means equation 3 multiplied by itself. So you will have ax plus by, and this is equals to 99. So if you square both sides, this becomes a square x square plus b square by square plus 2abxy is equals to 99 whole square. Now let us call this as equation 5. Now what I can do is I can subtract these two equations. Let us say 4 minus 5. So what I will have? On the left hand side, this term will cancel. B square by square, this will also cancel. So the term left is, you have a square by square plus b square x square minus 2abxy, and on the right hand side 99 square minus 99 square, this is equals to 0. Now this is what? This is simply a by minus bx whole square. So this is this is written as formula a minus b whole square, and in this case this term is a and this term is b and this is 2ab. So I can write this a by minus bx whole square equals to 0. This means a by minus bx, this is equals to 0. So basically the value of a by minus bx that you have to find is equals to 0. So the answer for this problem is 0.